Welcome to your Ethereum News Roundup. Here's your latest for Monday, July 22nd, 2024. The SEC approves trading for spot Ethereum ETFs. Superstate launches a crypto carry fund. Optimism announces retro funding round 5. And today marks 10 years since the Ethereum ICO. All this and more starts right after this message. This episode is sponsored by Firefly, a one-stop Web3 social aggregator developed by Mask Network. Use one feed to connect with all users across Twitter, Lens, Farcaster, and all Web3 socials. Try it today at firefly.social. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has approved final filings for the trading of spot Ethereum ETFs, allowing trading to begin in the U.S. According to Bloomberg analyst Eric Bolchanis, trading is set to commence tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. All 8 spot ETH ETF issuers have obtained S1 approvals. Grayscale offers the lowest fee among them, set at 0.15% for its ETF. Bitwise also announced its commitment to donate 10% of profits from its ETHW ETF to the Protocol Guild and the Proposer Builder Separation Foundation. The donation follows VanEck's pledge last year, with both issuers committing to make donations for at least the next decade. The price of ETH remains relatively unaffected amid the news, trading at around $3,450. Superstate, a tokenized fund for real-world assets, introduced USCC, a tokenized crypto cash and carry trading fund for institutional investors. The strategy leverages price differences between spot and futures markets for Ethereum and Bitcoin, optimizing yield by staking spot Ethereum holdings. A cash and carry trade is a delta-neutral strategy that remains relatively unaffected by market volatility. Superstate takes a 75 basis point management fee for the product. USCC is Superstate's second offering, following its initial product, a US tokenized treasury fund with over $80 million in TVL. Superstate was founded last year by Robert Leshner, the founder of Compound. Optimism announced its 5th retroactive funding round, allocating 8 million OP tokens to projects that have contributed to the OP stack. Contributions can include core Ethereum infrastructure, research and development, and tooling that enhances the accessibility and usability of the OP stack. Applications for the round will open on August 15th. To qualify, contributions must have generated impact between October of 2023 and August of this year. Batch holders will allocate the funds in September, with grants being delivered in October. And lastly, today marks the 10th anniversary of the Ethereum ICO. On July 22nd of 2014, the Ethereum Foundation began selling nearly 60 million Ether at an initial rate of 2,000 ETH per Bitcoin, approximately 31 cents per token at the time. Ethereum's ICO raised just over $18 million worth of Bitcoin, notably without any VC investors. Ethereum didn't go live to mainnet until a year later in 2015. Investors who participated in the Ethereum ICO would see over a 100x return today compared to having invested in Bitcoin at the same time. This has been a roundup of today's top news stories in Ethereum. You can support this podcast by subscribing and following us on X at ETH Daily. Also subscribe to our newsletter at ethdaily.io. Thanks for listening. We'll see you tomorrow.